Hello everyone, if you are new here, this is Chandan and you are watching the learning field. Okay, so this video is regarding the general aptitude of the part A, that is part A of 30th November 2020 CSIR NET. Okay, so we already discussed the I think 13 questions in for this paper. Okay, so 13 questions, and in this session we are solving the next questions. Okay, so the remaining questions. Okay, and those who are not watching the first part or first session, I will share the link in the iTab and also here in the description. Okay, so you can check for your practice, and you can watch this video for your practice session also for the upcoming CSIR NET of the general aptitude section. Okay, so let's start, and before starting the solution, I am requesting you to all those who are new in my channel, please like the video, comment if you have any doubt in the comment section below, and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Okay, so let's start with question number 14. Okay, so question number 14 says that three liquids A, B and C having densities 3, 2 and 1 G per cc respectively mixed in the volume proportion 1:2:3 to form a 6 ml solution. Okay, what will be the density in GCC of the solution? Okay. So first, and this is a questions from mixture, you can say. Okay, so let us take first, let us take the volume of the liquids A, B and C are, this is the ratio of the volume, and we take also that quantity. Okay, so 1, 2 and 3 volume, that is ml respectively. Okay, so now we know the general result is mass equal to what? Sorry, density equal to density equal to mass by volume. Okay, this is the formula density which is used in this problem. Okay, so density equal to mass by volume. Now mass equal to, that means density into volume. Okay, so we have calculate now the mass of this liquids. Okay, so mass of the liquid A, this is equal to density into, what is the density? This density is 3 into corresponding this 1. Okay, this is equal to 3 into 1 gram. Okay, so this is equal to 3 G. Mass of the liquid B, this is equal to what? This 2 into 2. Okay, so 2 into 2, this is equal to 4 gram. And mass of C, this is equal to what? This 1 into 3. So 1 into 3, this is equal to 3 gram. Okay, so now we have to calculate the density for the volume 6 ml. Okay, so density equal to what? Mass by volume is the formula, and total mass equal to total mass of the liquid. These three are adding, so 3 plus 4 plus 3, this is equal to what? This is equal to 10 G. Okay, so now density equal to total density equal to mass in total by volume in total. Okay, so mass in total what? This is 10, and volume is total is given in the question is 6 ml. Okay, so this is the density equal to 1.66, which is nearly equal to 1.7. Okay, so the correct answer is 1.7, option A. Okay, now go to the next problem. Question number 15. The question says that suppose the standard deviation of the body temperature of 17 persons measured degrees in Fahrenheit is 2.7. Which of the following is standard deviation of the above 17 temperatures measures in degrees Celsius? Okay, so these questions I skip these questions because I can't solve these questions, because I can't understand these questions properly. Okay, I try these questions in various approach, but the question is still not solved by me. Okay, so if any one of you can solve these questions or any hints about this problem, please let me know in the comment section below. Okay, or if you solve the problems completely, then also let me comment in the comment section below. Okay, so the questions the answer of the question is 1.5, but I don't know the proper process. I apply different methods, but this question is not solvable by me. Okay, so that's why I skip it. Okay, now go to the question number 16. Okay, 15 females participate in a single badminton tournament. Okay, if a player is estimated as the soon as she loses the match, how many matches are required to determine the winner? Okay, so this is the questions from general science, you can say. Okay, so for any tournament, okay, there are two types of tournament. Okay, there are basically two types of tournament. I give here the complete concept so that if any questions comes in this topic or in this type of questions, you can solve easily. Okay, so there are two types of tournament. One is league state, and the another one is called knockout tournament. Okay, knockout tournament. Okay, and in the this league state, n teams. Number one is there are n teams, and number two is each team plays every other team, okay, once. This is the league state. And the knockout state, that is knockout tournament, is there are n teams which are paired up to matches. Okay, or paired up to matches. That means there are the n teams not playing with each other teams. Okay, there are teams are paired, and that two teams will be play each other. But in this case, the each teams, suppose for this state, this is the difference between league state and knockout state. Okay, so in case of league state, each team plays every other team once, but in the knockout case, this is not holds. Okay, this term is not holds, and instead of that, the n teams are paired into some pairs, and then the match holds between them. Okay, so this is the difference between these two cases. Okay, and the number of matches, and there the main concept is the number of matches in the league state. If there are n teams, then the total number of matches is half n into n minus 1, and for knockout cases this is simply n minus 1. Okay, and the given question is the 15 females participate in a single badminton tournament. That means each female means each team. Okay, one female, FEMA, females means, what do you means? This means one team. Okay, one team. Okay, so if a player estimated as soon as he loses the matches, how many matches? So this is the basically example of knockout tournament. Okay, and there are simply 15 females, that means 15 teams, and so number of matches, total matches will be n minus 1, that means 14. Okay, so this is the concept behind this question, and this is the answer, option D. Okay, now go to the next question. A tap takes 6 hours to fill the water tank. A second tap takes 5 hours. A third tap, suppose this is tap A, this is second tap is B, third tap is C, and the fourth takes 3 hours, that is D. Okay, so we solve this question is with a trick. Okay, so first take the LCM of this numbers. Okay, 6 hours, 5 hours, 4 hours, 6, 5, 4 and 3. How long approximately would it take to fill the tank if all the taps are used together? Okay, this is the question. So if we take first the LCM of this 6, 5, 4, 3, this is equal to clearly 60. Okay, write 60 here. Okay, now take this team A, suppose this is A pipe. Okay, sorry, A pipe, this is B pipe, this is C pipe or C tap, and this is D tap. Okay, so in 1 hour, how many, this is the total unit. Okay, total unit of water, suppose. So in 1 hour, okay, in 1 hour, tap A fills what? Tap A fills total 60 unit, and in 6 hours it will take, that means it in 1 hour it takes 10, fills 10 unit. Okay, it fills 10 unit. B, in 1 hour B fills 12 unit. Okay, in 1 hour C fills how many unit? This is for 15 unit. Okay, and in 1 hour D fills what number of unit? This is equal to 20 unit. Okay, now that means this is a trick. Okay, so if we take in 1 hour how many total unit fills by the 4 taps, that means if 4 taps A, B, C, D are open, then we can fill, or they can fill how many unit? So add this. Okay, 10 plus 12 plus 15 plus 20. Okay, this gives 30, 45, 57, which is equal to 57 unit. Okay, and which is approximately near. In the sense, in the question it says that how long approximately. Okay, so that means in 1 hour, and see the options, in 1 hour 1.5 to 2.5. if we take, this is the total unit, that is 57, which the 4th tap fills in 1 hour or in 57 minutes. Okay, but if we take this is 1.5 hour, then this is more than 60. Okay, more than 60. Okay, so मतलब जो है यहाँ पर 60 से बहुत ज़्यादा हो जाएगा वो. ठीक है, तो ये क्या होगा यहाँ पर 60 अप्रोक्सीमेट, मतलब 60 के आसपास की वैल्यू दे रहा है, दैट मीन्स अप्रोक्सीमेट वैल्यू यू कैन टेक it as an approximate value. So this is 60 approximate, we can say. That means the time taken, which is approximately 57 in 1 hour, that is, this is the correct answer. Okay, so this is the trick. Now, and this is the questions from work. You can, there is other many types of problems. Okay, now go to the next question, question number 18. Question number 18 says that a 3.1 meter into 2.2 meter block of granite, just a minute, I think there is a mistake, just a minute, into 2 meter, 3.1 meter into 2.2 into 2.1 meter block, okay, of granite is cut, have maximum number of 3m into 2m size of slabs having thickness of 4 centimeter. These slabs are used to make a 1.5 meter wide pavement. Okay, so what is the maximum length in meters of the pavement that can be made using these slabs? Here for these questions, the key point is, what is the key point? You have to wastage is minimum. Okay, otherwise you can't solve this problem. Okay, so you just say, or you just note that the wastage, in which case the wastage of the granite is minimum. Okay, minimum to minimum. Okay, so see, we have to cut the granite to have the slab size is 3.5 meters, suppose, and the each thickness is 4 centimeter. Okay, so suppose we cut this granite by, this is the 3 meter and this is suppose 2 meter. Okay, this is suppose 2 meter. Okay, so 3 meter into 2 meter is the, so if we take from 3.1, there if you take, this is length, this is breadth, and this is the height. Okay, so you make it wrong. Okay, if you take this is length, this is breadth, and this is the height, then you make the questions wrong. Okay, because you have to wastage, you have to do the wastage is minimum. Okay, so the wastage is minimum. So if we take 3 from 3.1, so cut 3.1 to 3 meter and cut 2 meter from 2.1 meter. Okay, so cut 2 meter from, this is total suppose 3.1 meter, this is suppose total 2.1 meter of the granite. So we cut the total, the big granite to the slab from, we take the 3 meter from 3.1 meter side and 2 meter from 2.1 meter side. Okay, and the remaining 2.2, this is suppose the height. Okay, so if cut the height, or if you slice the height by 4 centimeter of each, okay, so then the total number of slabs, will be what? 2.2 meter, and this is 2.2 meter means what centimeter? Meter, decimeter, centimeter. So 2220 by 4 centimeter, okay. Or you can say this is the total piece of the slabs, okay, total piece of the slabs. So this is equal to 55 piece of the slabs, okay. Now it says that the slabs are used to make it 1.5 meter wide pavement, okay. Now we have this pavement, this slab, okay, this is suppose 3 meter and this is suppose 2 meter, okay. Skip the thickness, okay, because all slabs are with a thickness of 4 centimeter, okay, and we have just the thickness, we have just need this 55 pieces of, now we have just 55 pieces of slabs, okay. Now we have to make the pavement with 1.5 meter wide. Suppose this is the pavement, okay, so this is 1.5 meter, okay. So cut these slabs by 2 pieces, okay. So this is 1.5 meter and this is 1.5 meter. Now if you take, this is one slab 1.5 meter, this is one slab, therefore from this slab we make, this is 2 meter and this is 2 meter. So from one slab of 3 into 2, 3 meter into 2 meter, from one slab we can get, or we can make the total 4 meter of length, okay. So from one slab we can make 2 meter of length, okay, and we have total number of slabs is 55, okay. So the total length, that is the maximum length. Why the maximum length? Why the question says the maximum length? Because you have to wastage is the minimum, okay, you have to do the wastage, you have waste the granite, but the wastage must be minimum, okay. So this is total 4 into 55, this is equal to 220. So total 220 meter length of pavement can be made, okay. So option B is correct. Now go to the next one, and this is where questions from logical you can do easily, okay. So see the first square, okay. From this question says that which combination of square tiles shows the below can be produced these given patterns of the floor, okay. So see the first floor, so the first pattern, so this is the pattern, okay. And the second one is this, the second one is suppose this, okay. Now we have to find these two sides from the given options, okay. So see if you rotate this slide, okay, sorry, this piece of tiles, okay. So if you rotate this type of tiles by, if you rotate these, can you get this type of tiles? Can these two tiles make the whole tiles? And there are these two tiles of rotate, you can make this, okay. So you can make this type of tiles. So see, these tiles can be made in this, okay. And the other is, if we rotate this with 90 degree left, okay, then we get this type of tiles, okay. This, from this, if you 90 degree anti-clockwise, then you get this type of tiles, okay, this type of tiles. And the others are make by these two tiles. You can see this is basically logical question, so here option A is correct, okay. You can check once, otherwise there is no such explanation for these questions, okay. This is just seeing, okay. If you see this picture logically or mentally stably, okay, then you can find the answer, okay. Now we go to the next question. What? The question, last question, a fair coin tossed 8 times independently, what is the probability that the third toss results a head? This is very easy questions. Okay, in each, if 8 times, if the question says what is the probability of fourth toss or fifth toss or first toss, in any toss, okay, we know that for a coin the probability to come and head or tail is half, and this word independent is very important, okay, because one toss to another toss there is no connection. That means for first toss the probability of getting head is half and probability of getting tail is half. For second toss that is also holds, that is the probability of getting heads, this is half, and probability of getting tails is also half. Okay, so no matters what the no matters what the number of toss, okay, that is whether it is third toss, whether it is first toss, whether it is fifth toss, that is no matter. Okay, the answer is clearly half. Okay, since the tosses are independent. Okay, so this is the questions which are remaining part of 2020 November 30th November series of CSIR NET question paper. If the content is helpful, then please give a like to this video, share with your friends, and subscribe the channel. Okay, thank you friends, see you again in the next video.